Hey guys, welcome to today's video. In this episode we take a look at the new feature ahead of time compilation. We take a look at why and how you could use it. The why question is quite easy. AOT provides up to 5 times more speed for CPU intensive work. Then you may wonder, why wouldn't you use it? But ahead of time compilation can take up to 15 minutes to compile and the package size can be up to 2 times bigger. Now we got to the how. First of all, make sure that you install the new .NET Core 6 Preview 4 SDK. After this we want to open a command prompt in administrator mode and run the following command. .NET workload install microsoft-net-sdk-blazorwebassembly-aot. I included the command in the description below. Now we want to open Visual Studio and open our CS project. In here we want to update the target framework to 6 and update all the Microsoft package to the newest preview. We also want to add run AOT compilation and set it to true. We're already at the final step. We want to open a command prompt in the same location as the project. In here we want to run the command .NET publish-c release. This step can take a lot of time, so don't worry if it takes a while. Good job, we just created our first ahead of time compilation application. You can now upload it to your website or test it using an HTTP server. Make sure to let me know what kind of improvements you got and if you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, make sure to leave them below in the comments. And if you liked this video or it was helpful in any way, make sure to hit the like, subscribe and notification bell.